Rupali, in fact, we have got certain documents. Yes, we have got documents that are clearly showing, Rupali, that Anil Bastwade not only had direct links with Madhu Koda, but also in an affidavit that's been filed additionally in the Supreme Court by Enforcement Directorate, which Times Now has a copy of. It's very clearly said that ED believes that the Enforcement Directorate believes that the embassy officials could have gone ahead and helped them. In fact, in this particular affidavit, the ED is also saying that in certain cases they've seen that the embassy officials not only lost certain documents, they also said they've misplaced them. It's a clear indication, according to ED, that they were trying to be influenced, and influence was wielded by the influential accused. In this case, one of them being Anil Bastwade. That's the reason he was not brought back to India sooner. In the Supreme Court, the ED has also relied upon another document, a page 113 of which Times Now has already accessed. In the ED complaint that's been filed, the ED is going ahead and saying not only is there a direct link between the two, Anil Bastwade and Madhu Koda, it's also very clearly established there is a manufacturing company in Dubai which was opened by Anil Bastwade and others. This company was opened and a huge amount was invested by the former Jharkhand Chief Minister when he was, doing the money laundering. All the transactions that have been spoken of, in fact, the ED affidavit and the ED complaint running into over 200 pages, very clearly establishes the entire circle, the map on which Madhu Koda was operating on. It's also very clearly establishing the 4,000 crore rupee scam that happened, of which the kingpin was Anil Bastwade, had a direct link with the former Jharkhand Chief Minister. The documents also stating what's been very critically said in the Supreme Court here by ED today. They believe that Madhu Koda needs to continue to be apprehended for them because Anil Bastwade is the missing link that will provide all the answers.
The biggest kingpin in the case is now coming back. Anything that can be happening, has he even had a word with Madhu Koda right now?
I don't think I will take this bet.
Sir, but other than asking about the entire scam or anything that's to do with the particular case, here Anil Bastwade says he will spill the beans. He's saying he's going to be revealing the names of the politicians who helped him. Do you think somewhere this will be trouble for the former Jharkhand Chief Minister?
Well, I am not in a position to comment on this aspect of the matter.
Actually, in this case, when he comes to India, he will be confronted with Madhu Koda, Binod Sinha and other co-accused. Those who are actually sitting and they have not responded to the investigating agency, to the questions framed by those people, to that extent that how much others are also involved and how much he is involved. The moment he comes, then he'll have to say that how much involvement of Madhu Koda is there in Dubai and elsewhere.